The VEVOR Utility Sink Pump is designed for durability and reliability with its oil-filled copper wire motor and corrosion-resistant cast aluminum construction. This pump offers rapid drainage, boasting a powerful motor that spins at 3,500 revolutions per minute to achieve a maximum flow rate of 2,900 gallons per hour. It features an automatic float switch that provides precise water level control, ensuring that the pump activates only when necessary, thus conserving energy and extending the pump's lifespan. The oil-filled motor design not only prevents overheating, but also reduces noise, allowing for a quieter operation and a more peaceful environment. Installation is straightforward and simple, requiring only a few connections to get the pump up and running, making it an ideal choice for those looking to quickly manage water drainage. The pump's robust design and efficient performance make it a reliable choice for keeping basements dry and trouble-free.